Hey guys, how you doing? This is the welding machine coming back to you guys with another video. Okay, Cody, what are you gonna do with this truck? Great question. Remember how I got in an accident? Here's a link to the video. That pretty much destroyed my front bumper. So we're gonna build another bumper out of some 3x3/8 inch tube and some diamond plate. So this truck is gonna have a brand new bumper on the front. The rear bumper is gonna still be the same because that one's still good. Gonna put a little bit more braces inside of it to keep it more sturdier. But let's get to this video, guys. Enjoy. Boom. Got the hose drilled out for the Chevy C10 bumper. We're going to go get the other one and overlay it and drill it. Be right back. So now on to the fit up, guys. So we drilled the holes. So pretty much essentially what we're looking for, we got the bolts. Well, we got 3 bolts, can't find the rest of them. So this is essentially going to bolt on the outside. Those 2 holes line up with the bottom and one with the top. So we're going to put the washer and the nut through. This one for that side. And we'll put this stuff on the inside. We just want the top to line up. We're not really worried about that 3rd bolt. Not really. Just make sure we get everything else lined up. What's up, guys? Welding Machine, we are back. Alright guys, so pretty much what we're looking at. We got the configuration for the brackets for the C10. For those brackets right there. For the actual, you know, that thing over there. The main frame. So we got what we got figured out. So we're going to recycle and reuse. We're going to reuse this right here. I'm going to grind that weld down a little bit. Slide that in. Tack it. Same thing for the other side. Slide it close to it. Tack it. Boom. Reuse, recycle. And then we'll build onto the bumper as we keep going. So you guys stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more. And don't forget to like if you want more. You guys have a great one. Hold on. We'll be right back. Alright guys, it's the Welding Machine. We are back. We just welded this out. I didn't have my tripod with me. But we cut this plate in half with the cut-off wheel and the grinder. And right here we recycled. We use a 45-degree cut from the tube that we used to cut the 45-degree right here to make that into a bracket for this side and this side, as well as this side right here. Here's the bumper for the 85 Chevy C10. We're not quite done yet. We're gonna have to let it cool off for a little bit, and we're gonna start using some cardboard cutouts to form the pieces that we're gonna weld to the top of this to give it that enclosed look so you can't see behind the bumper. But, and then also, you know, to wrap the sides and make it look pretty and all that other good stuff. And we're gonna paint this bumper white. But y'all stay tuned. This has been the Welding Machine. You guys have a great one, and I'll see you next video. Alright YouTube, so this is what we got so far for a square bumper. Now I'm gonna bring it in closer. So this is gonna be the main structure of the bumper. Diamond plate's gonna be on the outside of the bumper. Now also, I don't know, I might keep it smooth, I don't know. But I know you guys see these gaps right in here. So what I'm gonna do is cut plate to come up close to the bumper, but not all the way touching it. Or this is the, I can't remember what the heck this is called, but it's gonna come up maybe a 1/4 inch gap all the way down, but it's gonna be plate I'm gonna put in here, cut it, weld it, you know, to make it look decent so it ain't a big space. And that's what it looks like from the side. Now for this, I'm probably gonna got plate coming like this, and I'm probably gonna take some plate and come back this way just a little bit. About a 1/4 inch gap. You know, not too much, but just enough. But that's what we got right now, guys. I mean, most of it we already welded up in the previous video. And I think I'm editing them all together so you guys can see it. But this is what we got. And put some D-rings on it and a light bar. So this is what we got. We're probably gonna have it's gonna be mounted from the underside, the light bar is, from the original bumper, and take the original D-rings off the original bumper and weld them onto here. But that's what we got. This 85 Chevy C10. You guys for outro. Alright everybody, it's been the Welding Machine. You guys have a great day. It's about to rain, looks like, out here. So y'all have a great one. Welding Machine out. Like, comment, rate, and subscribe for more.